Yeah, I want to use this account to show you how you can troubleshoot your other accounts that is restricted or banned. Actually, I don't know that they are giving me permission that I can request for review for this particular account. They banned it since last month, and that time they didn't put any button there for me to review the account. And I tried to chat with their customer support, but they didn't respond to me that time. So I just logged in today and I discovered that they have restored the button for me to review that account. You know, it is not palatable. Maybe after when you log in, sure, you just come to your other account and you see something like this. You're like, wow, these people again. All right. Let me just say this one. Some at times you can get your other account back, and sometimes you might not get it back. That is not the truth. That is not the bitter truth. At times you might get it back, and sometimes they may not open it. As a matter of fact, there was a particular other account I have money there. I request for review. They say that that is the final decision, that they are not going to open it. I went ahead to chat with their support team. I stopped like that, sha. He asked, can he come in? No problem. We spent like 30 minutes, talk. Till today, they didn't open that account. And there was a particular one also that have sent me emails, send everything that is their final decision. They are not going to open it again. I followed them up on the chat stuff also. And before you know what is happening, they later open the account. It doesn't mean that you have done anything wrong. Don't just be condemning yourself up and down that it doesn't mean that you have done something wrong. That is the reason why they receive blind or ban your account. Their algorithm is somehow is somehow crazy. All right, when you wake up and you just log in like this, you just see something like this, your heart will bam bam. I have many students that they say, I will ask them, what did you do? They say, I did not do anything. See, they have blocked it. No, you can still request for review. So you click on CDT. If your own is not showing that one, but your account is blocked or restricted, just type from the search button. For example, okay, let me come back here. From the search button, or you can just look for ad quality, account quality. So it's telling me that these two, as a matter of fact, I've never used this one to run any ad. I never used this one to run any ad, but because this is the real ad and it affected this one, so I'm going to do the review. And the account is not even mine, but I'm going to do the review right now. So I click on the account overview. Everything is there. So let me go to mental business account. So I discovered that this thing is become active. That time it wasn't there at all. Nothing to review. Nothing. Maybe because after when I've chatted them, maybe that is why they restored this one. I don't know. And ever since that day, I didn't open the account. So I click on request review, get started. So confirm identity. It will ask maybe if you are a robot or whatever. They will display some images that they will ask you to find. I haven't done that. I mean, this stage 2, which says request a review. Say, to help us check that this account belongs to you, we need a photo of your official ID card. This could be a driving license, passport, or other type of official identification. If there are any issue, we will send you an email. You understand? Before this place, they will have requested for your email that they will communicate you with. At times they won't send anything there. Just prepare yourself when you are dealing with Facebook. All right, so which kind of what kind of ID card can I use? You can use your national ID card, you can use the voters card, you can use passport, your national international passport, you can use this name. You can use that one. Which one again? Any official your driving license, you can use that one as well. So click on upload. So you go and look for where that image is saved on your system. I think I know the image I want to use. The passport of the ID card of the person I want to use. Is it this one? Let me check. Okay, I think I got it right. Okay, correct. That is the person's ID card, the person I'm using the account. So I click on continue. I'm not sure of the policy I violated, then I clicked review. So normal, if the day that they won't have any issue, they will open this account. It might take some days, might only take weeks, but normal they're supposed to open it. But what if they don't open it? You can still go further and chatting them up about it, and you may be wondering that how will you get them to shut up with. Go to normal Facebook, or you can go to normal browser and type Facebook support team. It will bring you to this place, or just see this URL, facebook.com/business/help. It will redirect you to this particular place. Because I log into that account, it already bring out the name of the owner of that account. So I will scroll down, I click on get started. All right, so it's showing me that need help with advertising, contact and advertising support. I click on that one. I may not chat them because I just sent a review and I don't know if they will open it yet, but that is what this is what I do anytime they turn down the account or whatever. So they are asking me now that which other account that I want them to restore here. These are pages. Do I know the okay, I think is this one. Let's talk. Yeah. Is this one? This is the main other account. Okay. Business. Okay. It's Store Up. This, if you see, you can see other accounts, business page. This is the one that I want to restore. If they can restore this one, automatically they will restore this other account because it's because of this business other account. That was the reason they restored this one as well. So this is the one I will review. Like I said, I won't shut them because I just sent the review. So my business manager account as I insisted, so I will click on that one. At times, like I said, it's not all the time you can shut them. They might not give you the room also, but let me just get to the end of it first. So okay, there are different whatever. Contact support. Still need help. Contact support. Some people might not bring out this stuff. Contact support. From there, it will take you to live chat with one of their agents, and you will use your Facebook Messenger. You have to log in back to the normal Facebook and use your Facebook Messenger to chat them. They will just know about details about their account, so they will ask you some questions. Just flow along with them, and he or she may demand that can he speak with you. If it's not good with you that time, you can tell you that you are in a crowded place and you won't be able to receive call or whatever. If they respond to email, maybe after the chat or after the call, if they respond to email, that they will ask you for email if that email is correct anyway. So if they send a request, still chat them up. Thanks very much. I really appreciate your time today. Hopefully I am open, or how do I consult the English now? Hopefully to hear from you soon as you help me to regain my account. If they say thank you for contacting us, reply them again. Just bombard them with message. That is how I do get at least most of my accounts back. With this method, I do get most of my accounts back. Okay, so that will be the end of this how to get your registered account back for now. See you later in the next